Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best GPS tracker for vehicles. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Trak-4 GPS Tracker for vehicles, cars, assets. Unlimited distance 4G LTE. Small, portable, waterproof. Affordable subscription required. Brand Trak-4. Special feature geofence, alert notification, long battery life, location history, motion activation, anti-theft. Connectivity technology cellular, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, BLE, GPS. Supported application theft recovery, Trak-4 app and web app, asset tracking, security, logistics. Specific uses for product trucks, vehicles, drivers, trailer tracking, vehicle tracking, asset tracking, GPS tracking, equipment, tools, assets, valuables trucks, vehicles, drivers, trailer tracking, vehicle tracking, asset tracking, GPS tracking, equipment, tools, assets, valuables. Simple to use, start tracking in minutes, email and text alerts, geofencing. Subscription required. $6.99 a month, prepaid annual, or $12.99 a month, paid monthly, for hourly pings with options for 10 minutes and 1 minute. REST API, a webhooks, 1 limited cellular data and no contract, no activation or cancellation fees, SIM included. Computer, phone, or tablet great for GPS tracking of assets, inventory, and vehicles, compact size. Up to 18 months on a single charge. Change your ping rate to manage battery life, rechargeable with a cell charger or USB cable. Number 2. Tracki Pro GPS Tracker for vehicles, USA made tech. Up to 7 months BAT. Waterproof magnetic 4G LTE, long battery life 2 to 7 month, unlimited distance, subscription required, multi-alerts, hidden tracker. Brand Tracki. Special feature including lost or damaged device. Full USA and worldwide coverage, in-app notifications, optional SMS, email alerts for speed, fence, movement, USA based, strongest 10,000 mAh battery. 24/7 live support. Lifetime warranty, battery saving modes, Wi-Fi indoor tracking including lost or damaged device. Full USA and worldwide coverage, in-app notifications, optional SMS, email alerts for speed, fence, movement, USA based, strongest 10,000 mAh. Connectivity technology, Wi-Fi, GPS, LTE, GSM, QZSS, GLONASS, BDS. Supported application iOS, iPhone, Android, web app, Alexa. Specific uses for product tracking. Tracki Pro, 60 days battery life in normal use, up to 200 days in battery save mode. Waterproof, with industry's strongest magnet, hide it under the car discreetly. Battery life of 2 to 7 months per charge, has huge 10,000 mAh battery, which is up to 5 times larger capacity than other trackers and 7 times larger than the round tracker. Unlimited distance 4G worldwide coverage plus extra extended 3G per 2G. GPS tracking plus Wi-Fi tracking using Google's Wi-Fi location database. Durable, professional industrial anti-theft GPS tracker. Worldwide coverage in 180 plus countries. Advanced network technology, uses LTE, 4G, Cat4 technology with fallback options to 3G and 2G networks. Ensuring the device will work even with older cellular networks. Supports GPS, QZSS, GLONASS, and BDS satellite systems, providing accurate location information. Tracki listens to nearby Wi-Fi routers' MAC ID, matching IDs to Wi-Fi database for accurate location when GPS is not available for tracking inside buildings. For each device, a monthly fee of $19.95 is required, or as low as $9.95 for long-term plan. Number 3. Amcrest GPS GL300 GPS Tracker for vehicles, 4G LTE. Portable mini hidden real-time GPS tracking device for vehicles, cars, kids, pets, assets, text email push alerts, twin magnet weatherproof case. Brand Amcrest. Special feature portable, magnetic. Connectivity technology cellular. Supported application alarm. Specific uses for product tracking, monitoring, and location data for items and individuals. Compact 4G GPS Tracker, perfect for tracking vehicles, loved ones, teens, spouses, children, elderly, pets or assets. With its sleek and compact design, it easily slips into cars, backpacks, strollers, luggage and is highly concealable. Monthly subscription required. No contracts or activation/cancellation fees. $19.99, 30-second updates. $28.99, 5-second. $42.99, 1 second. Includes magnetic weatherproof case and fabric zipper case. USA, Canada and Mexico only. Real-time smartphone and PC tracking. With lighting fast 4G LTE, this GPS tracker offers real-time tracking with up to 5-second. Updates through desktop web access, Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or through the Amcrest GPS smartphone app, iOS/Android. The intuitive user interface allows you to easily monitor activity, manage alerts and generate custom reports. Create links and share them with your friends, family and co-workers to keep track of cars, children, seniors and assets. Geofencing, smart alerts and reports. Create custom geofencing zones that alert you anytime the GPS tracker enters or exits a zone. Speed limit, harsh braking, start/stop and proximity alerts allow you to easily track your vehicles and loved ones. Receive text, push and email notifications directly to your smartphone or PC with the Amcrest GPS app and desktop web access client. Access your data with intelligent reporting directly from your smartphone, Mac or PC. Number 4. Optimus plug-in GPS tracker for cars. Easy installation, harsh driving alerts, reporting history and more. Extension cable included. Brand Optimus. Special feature: speeding alerts, boundary alerts, harsh driving alerts, Android and iPhone app, website access, tamper alert, speeding alerts. Boundary alerts, harsh driving alerts, Android and iPhone app, website access, tamper alert. Connectivity technology: cellular. Supported application: GPS. Material: plastic. Easy installation: OBD port GPS tracker for cars and trucks. Extension cable included. Location on map, address, speed, driving history. Optional extension cable included. $12.95 per month. Updates every 30 seconds and on corners. Cancel anytime. No contract, no hidden fees. iPhone and Android tracking app. Track on computer, tablet or cell phone browser. Push, email and text message alerts for movement, speeding, leaving or entering areas. And 4. Tracker disconnection from OBD port. 1-year GPS tracking, historical data saved during service. Harsh driving alerts, know when your driver is driving aggressively. Driving reports with distance traveled, time and movement, time parked with address, maximum speed per trip. Reports with address and time of beginning and at the end of each trip. SIM card and data plan included. Coverage, USA and Canada. Number 5. Optimus 3.0 GPS Tracker. Over 1 month battery, with heavy-duty waterproof case and powerful magnets for vehicles and assets. Brand Optimus. Special feature: portable. Connectivity technology: cellular. Supported application: GPS. Specific uses for product: vehicles, machinery, valuables, loved ones, elderly individuals, assets, hunting, camping, mining, skiing, hiking. Vehicles, machinery, valuables, loved ones, elderly individuals, assets, hunting, camping, mining, skiing, hiking. Accurate, discreet, real-time GPS tracker with powerful twin magnet case. Requires a monthly subscription. Battery life up to 2 months. Reporting at the default 1-minute update setting. Set up custom instant alerts, text and or email. Customizable position updates up to every 10 seconds. Track your vehicle, machinery, valuables and loved ones live 24/7 from our easy-to-use tracking software. Coverage: USA, Canada and Mexico. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.